everybody, it's Sheila Tucker. I just wanted to quickly jump on here and teach everybody how to make their own capsules. So we have two different kinds of capsules. We have the clear capsules from doTERRA. These capsules will dissolve within 5 minutes of taking them. And then we have the extended release capsules that I purchased from another website. So these capsules won't dissolve for about 90 minutes. So I like these for things that have like peppermint or oregano in them, because for when I make capsules that have a peppermint or oregano, because at that point it will open in my intestine and it won't cause me to burp up the oil. So if you're one that doesn't like to burp up the oil, make sure that you're using an extended release capsule. These last like 90 minutes. Okay, so let's go forward, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to either take the capsules. When you buy the capsule, you just take it apart. Super simple. It just comes as an empty vegetarian capsule, right? And I like to use this awesome little wood tool that my friend Cheryl Gilg, her husband Kevin Gilg made this, and I'll put his link below, because the capsules fit perfectly in there and I can make multiple capsules at one time. I've got my extended release on this end and I've got the rapid release, I don't know if you can see that, on this end. Okay, so super simple. I'm just going to take a drop of turmeric, a drop of yarrow, a drop of copaiba, a drop of vetiver, and yes, I love the little eyedropper thing on the top of vetiver, because vetiver is one of those really thick oils, and I want to make sure that it gets directly into the capsule tonight. And then I will top off the capsule with a little fractionated coconut oil, so that when it opens up in my stomach, then it has a great bioavailability, which means that it's going to easily be absorbed into my bloodstream. So super simple, just one drop of each. And what I use the turmeric and the copaiba and the yarrow and the vetiver for is to have a restful night's sleep. So I hope that that helps you guys. When you're done with your capsules and they're all made and they've got your essential oil, and you use this little pumper thing to fill up the rest of your capsule, which is like super simple, it just fills up the rest of it to the top, then you label a little container, whether it's like this or a different container, and I keep my capsules preloaded with the day of the week or with what that particular capsule is for, like restful sleep, and I will keep it in the freezer. And that way I always have capsules that are ready for me when I need them. Hope that helps.